And that is not even yesterday I went on your Instagram and I made a comment because you are the same people that wrote on your Instagram page that we as South Africans are xenophobic. What do you see as xenophobic here? When South Africans are on the streets marching in their own country, what is xenophobic about that?
The xenophobic sentiment, as many people
don't tell me sentiments, tell me what is xenophobic. Don't tell me about sentiments.
Is asking people to leave the country who some of them are documented and without any fear.
When have we ever asked people who are documented to leave the country?
Well, many of these people are documented.
We don't even know why they're running away. Do you have proof that these people were hurt or assaulted?
I don't have proof.
Then don't ask me about something you don't have proof of. Don't ask me that.
I wanted to ask you why you see
this point because today. You are here to spread your propaganda.
Not at all
Continue
propaganda.
spreading your propaganda. Don't ask me nonsense here. You haven't spoken to us. Don't lie. You
Kulolu daba olwenzeka izolo lama-foreign ade u-300 lapha eThekwini kwenye iy'ndawo angisazi kahle yiphi le ndawo noma isikhumulo samabhasi noma indawo yokusebenzela lapho ade kumele ku-check-akale ama-foreigners ukuthi ena a-verified ukuthi abase-South Africa. Kube sekuvela-ke iy'ntatheli-ke zizobuza-ke imibuzo-ke eyimbhedo-ke ejwayelekile. Ngenhlahla-ke uSisi Jacinta waseyamkhumbula lo ntombazana lo oqamba amanga ophusha i-narrative ekhuluma izinto ezimbi ngama-March and March. Nawo wonke nje umuntu omashayo laphayana kuthiwa ba-violence baphusha immigration abathandi umuntu ukufika leyo shidi nalowo nonsense sizwile beyiphimisele oMbeki noMashadile besitshela umbhedo. So uJacinta ubengazwile-ke bengenasikhathi ubengaphakelwe enkobe uvele ehahameza intombazane because iyamcasula each and every time lapho abahlangana khona hleli imbuzo imbhedo hleli imbuzo umsangano. So mina sengiyaqala manje iy'ntatheli sengiqala ukuzenyanya iy'ntatheli sengiqala ukuzenyanya ngempela because nazo azazi ukuthi zenzani laphayana. Asibuze ama-question avalid. Kahle kahle la sitshelwa ngenkani la ukuthi ena nina anilutho njengabantu base-South Africa. You are nothing. Yilokho abazama ukusitshela khona. Le propaganda eqhutshwa i-SABC endala iyoziphelene. Bafuna manje siphike into siyibone phambi kwamehlo ethu ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kumele siphike sithi akusiyonto kube kuyiyona. Omunye umbuzo ukuthi lo muntu wesimame uthi uney'ngane la uyamtshela Jacinta ukuthi nathi siney'ngane zethu anicabangi lokho. Babuza nje imibuzo nje umuntu naye angayicabangile into angazoyiphendula athini. Iy'teti ngizwa kuthiwa ugogo lona maqala amakhulu laphayana ophethe laphana emaphoyiseni or emasotsheni amasotshana akhe azobe ready ukuthi yena azogada abantu base-South Africa ukuze bengathinti iy'thandwa zabo okungabantu bokufika. Akhona amasotsha kahle kahle asebenzayo right ane-budget but awekho amasotsha uma edingeka ey'ndaweni ey'nobugebengu ey'ndaweni engasabuseki njengakoNandi awekho amasotsha. So umuntu oyovotela amasimba ala maqembu lawo angazi ukuthi ubuthembeni. Ushathi ulithanda nje iqembu lakho kodwa liyakhombisa ukuthi ludoti kangakanani lowo msana ongakanani. Sebenza lento eyenziwa uhulumeni wobandlululo sebepractice kithi kubantu abamnyama. Bengabantu abamnyama basetshenziswa indlela ekhanya ilanga. Yikho lokho kwenzakalayo. So ifight leyo Jacinta ngiyathemba ibe dikibale kodwa makufika isikhathi ukuthi amandla ayehla azobe sehlile bezamile naye ngeke ehlale etholakala kuyona yonke indawo. Kodwa kuyabonakala ukuthi uSisi Jacinta nabafowethu abamphelezelayo umsebenzi uyayikhulumela bekunematshi kothokoza, bebevalile lapha nabantu bakhathele. Uma lento ningayenza nonke ngesikhathi esiyi-1, uhulumeni uyofosteleka ukuthi yena a-act ethanda engathandi. And futhi ningamkhetha uhulumeni nimthandayo, lo enimkhethile ngoba useyabheda, naye ningamshintsha ngoba useyadelela, asanihloniphi. Wenziwa njalo umuntu uma ese-right ngevoti lakho, uyamshintsha ufake omunye, maybe yena lo muntu lo uzosebenza kangcono. Kodwa-ke impi isaqhubeka, umzabalazo lo. This is a revolution. Ongakuthandi lokho okwakhe lokho, akunamsebenzi naye. La silwela isizukulwane ngesizukulwane esilandelayo ukuthi bathole something kuleli lizwe lase-South Africa. Njengoba ama-politician elidayisa nje for free of charge, ukuthi lezi ngane ezizayo zithole kusekhona indlela yokuthi izophila, ngoba at this rate ayikho into ezizoyithola. Ziyovela sekunomunye upresident oyizayizayi. Njengoba bengena nje lapha kumabhoda, kube kunjani leso sikhathi leso. Asazi ukuthi kube kunjani. Nisalahle sodwa okuzayo khona la kwi-channel Indlovu kaSoweto TV.